All right, today on Misfit Mutts Garage, we're picking up a new car. I found a mini pickup, or I should say a friend of mine sent me a mini pickup from this really small Facebook group, and I was able to get it and buy it. So we're gonna bring it home today. We threw some new wheels on it because the old ones would not hold air, and we are trying to get it out of the garage it's in, but it's locked up. So yeah, hopefully we'll get on this trailer soon. And well, it looks like we're pulling the tractor out, so that'll be fun. All right, come along for the ride. I think this is my favorite blue car I've ever bought.
This is actually really cool looking.
Yeah, it looks perfect just as is.
Yeah.
You can't fake this patina. This is brilliant. Bless you. Yeah, let me throw this on the trailer like I always do. I guess I need to do some work now. All right, truck's on the trailer. All the wheels are pretty locked up. Been sitting for like 20 something years or so. Since the late 1900s. So basically all we need to do is just kind of connect the floor to the rest of the car and we can drive it.
Yeah.
Got the pickup truck home, gonna move some cars around and then put it in the tent before it rains more. Alright. Clearing space in the tent for the pickup. Just trying to beat the rain a little bit, but it's probably gonna get us. And this thing really doesn't roll, so we're gonna have to be a little gonna have to use some ingenuity here. And we got tray all aired up. Anybody want a 4x4 2002? Just jack up your air ride. Alright, now it's starting to rain and get all wet and shit. still a little wet in here from its time out during the tornado or hurricane, whatever it was.
All the fun. Hard, I'm seeing off the internet.
But I did go seen this. So this one isn't sight unseen.
I'm talking more about that.
Yeah, this one I went to see and deemed it good enough to actually buy.
Yes.
Which
yes,
it's like,
not too bad.
yeah, this one's definitely hacked. Just a few small things to still clean up on this, then it's good though. And this thing.
Back to track. Let's do this stuff.
I think it's the same year, 94.
94?
Yeah, same as this one.
Nice.
That's funny.
So we're just gonna, basically, I'm gonna drive the tractor through here. Think I can make it over this shit? And pull that guy in?
Sure. So all four wheels are pretty much locked up. They will roll with some help, but it's too much help that, you know, we need a tractor. We're gonna have to, it just won't roll easily on its own. So tractor time. We'll drag it on home into its new home and be good. Definitely Dave's favorite vehicle. So we got it in the tent. It's pouring rain. But we still need to put Trey in here. So we're trying to figure out why things are getting wet in the tent. We can see that this is wet and this is wet, but there's no immediate leak or holes. It's wet all the way down to about that middle line. So who knows? Let's get this baby home. All right, now we got this guy back in his home for a bit. And there we go. All right, so we got a new pickup home. And yeah, we'll see what we do with it. Thanks for joining.
You get this back in for Friday anyway, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know.
That'll be fine.
Yep.
Fine for a couple days.
Yep. There you go, Fred. You stay dry as you can. I don't like being wet.
It's like me.
Yeah. For being such a dog person, you act more like a cat.
Just because I'm a dog person doesn't mean I'm a dog.
True. They take naps a lot.
Dogs take naps a lot.
I guess.
I'm like a senior dog.
Senior dog.
Okay, everything's back in the tent. It's still raining, so I'm gonna go home.